Hello and welcome to Spit iExpert Anchor Design software. This video will take you through the design steps for post-installed rebar fixing. From the home page, select your country, design standard, language, and units. Design will follow an easy 6 steps process. Go to Step 1, Application, and scroll down to Rebar Reinforcement. There are 5 different design cases. Select the required case, and the illustration on the left-hand side will automatically reflect your selection. Go to Step 2, Dimensions. Select the grade of the bars, input the number of layers, spacing between the bars, and the concrete cover. The dimensions of the concrete members, both existing and new, can be adjusted from here or directly from the drawing. Go to Step 3, Material. Select the concrete grade or choose to include a custom one if it's not on the list. Then, enter the concrete thickness, which is also adjustable on the drawing. The drilling and the temperature range are set by default, but can be changed as well depending on the current site conditions. Go to Step 4, Loads. Enter the tensile load required in one of 3 ways depending on your preference, either per meter, per section, or per bar. After putting the loads, go to Step 5, Design. Eurocode 2 is selected by default. Other options include Fire or Seismic or VARIO. Go to Step 6, Calculate. The list here shows all possible chemical anchors with the corresponding bar diameters and embedment depths. In some cases, the VARIO method can be used as an exclusive design method developed by Spit to provide a solution with an optimized embedment depth. Finally, select the most desirable solution. In the detailed view, the installation data and the ETA link will appear at the bottom to direct the user to the corresponding ETA document. European approvals can be downloaded directly from the software. To generate the design report, click on the PDF icon. The design report starts off with the application dimensions and design inputs on the first page. In the next page, the solution will be outlined in more detail as per the design criteria, as well as the installation data. The last pages include drawing and calculation details. The report can then be saved on the computer. This is a brief view of what is possible with the iExpert calculation software. More videos can be seen on our website.